Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long can the police hold your car if it's part of an investigation? It's a frustrating question, and the answer isn't a simple number of days because the law doesn't give a hard deadline like 30 or 60 days. The legal standard is that they can hold it for a reasonable amount of time needed to conduct their investigation. But what is reasonable? That's the tricky part, and it depends entirely on the situation. Police seize a vehicle when they have probable cause to believe the car itself is evidence in a crime, or that it contains evidence. This could be a car used in a hit-and-run, a getaway vehicle from a robbery, or a car suspected of transporting illegal drugs. Once they have it, the clock on that reasonable time starts ticking. Several factors determine how long they can keep it. First, there's the complexity of the investigation. If they just need to do a quick visual search or inventory its contents, that could be done in a few days. However, if they need to send the vehicle to a crime lab for extensive forensic analysis, like lifting fingerprints, testing for DNA evidence, analyzing bullet holes, or downloading data from the car's onboard computer, this process can easily take weeks or even months. Second is the need for a warrant. Police might seize your car on the spot based on probable cause, but they often still need to get a search warrant from a judge to legally go through it. Getting that warrant approved and executed adds time. Third, the severity of the crime matters a great deal. A car involved in a major felony investigation, like a homicide or a large-scale drug trafficking operation, will almost certainly be held much longer than one connected to a minor misdemeanor. So what can you do if your car has been held for what feels like too long? You shouldn't just wait. You can be proactive. Start by contacting the police department or the specific detective assigned to the case to ask for a status update and an estimated time of release. If that doesn't work or you're not getting answers, your next step is legal action. You or your attorney can file a formal motion for return of property with the court. This legal document essentially forces the prosecution to go before a judge and explain why they still need your vehicle for their investigation. The judge will then decide if the delay is still reasonable or if the car should be returned to you. It's also critical to understand the difference between an evidence hold and an asset forfeiture case. If the government believes your car was bought with the proceeds of a crime or was used to commit a serious offense, they might try to keep it permanently through a process called forfeiture. That is a completely separate and more complex legal battle with its own rules and timelines. Ultimately, while there's no magic number for how long the police can hold your car, your constitutional rights protect you from being deprived of your property indefinitely without a good reason. If you feel your property is being held unreasonably, the best course of action is to consult with an attorney. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this information was helpful. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more legal explanations made simple.